Good morning students, how are you? Fine. Today we will do the revision of exercise 2.2. In this exercise we will learn about the multiplication of fractions. So let us start with the question number 1. In the question number 1, the column 1 and column 2, the two data is given and we have to match the columns. Okay. So here we can see the 2 out of 3 parts are colored. 2 out of 3 parts are colored in each case. 1, 2, 3, 3 units. So there are 3 diagrams, so we multiply it by 3 to the 2 out of 3 parts. So which represents this value? 3 multiplying 2 out of 3 parts. So it is representing the value of A is representing third part. Okay. Now here the diagram will represent 1 out of the 2 part is colored. 1 out of 2 part is colored. Okay. Similarly here 1 out of 2 part is colored. So it means if the both are the same value and there are 2 such a diagrams, so we multiply it by 2. We say 2 से multiply करेंगे. So 2 multiplying 1 by 2. Which data is representing this? The column number 2. In the next one, 1 out of 4 part is colored. 1 out of 4 part, 1 out of 4 part. So there are such a 3 diagrams are there. 1 out of the 4 parts are colored. So 3 multiplying 1 out of the 4 parts are colored. Which represent this data? It is representing the 4th part. C represent 4th value. 1 out of the 5 part is colored. Similarly 1 out of the 5 part is colored. So there are 2 diagrams. So 2 multiplying 1 out of the 5 part is colored. So this represents the question number data column number 1. Okay, now come to the question number 2. In the question number 2, in the question number 2, the column 1 and column 2 are given similar to the question number 1. Look at this. 1 out of the 3 parts are colored. So it represents the 1 by 3. 1 out of the 3 parts are colored. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. It's a 2 by 3. 2 part out of the 3 parts are colored. So we will represent it by the 2 multiplying by 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So which column representing this value? The second one, representing the same value. In the second one, 3 out of the 4 parts are colored. 3 out of the 4 parts are colored. 3 out of the 4 parts are 1, 2, 3. So multiply the 3 to 3 by 4. 3 out of the 4 parts are colored. So it will becomes 9 by 4. In the next section, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 4. 4 out of 4. It's also colored. 4 out of the 4. So 8 and 1, 9 parts out of the given data is colored. It may be 9 parts colored, it may be 9 parts are colored. Now, look at this. How to represent this value into the given result? This is a mixed fraction. So we have to divide it into 2 different values. So it is representing simply the 1 fraction. 4 out of the 4 parts are colored. Look at this. 4 out of the 4 parts are colored. It means it is representing the 1. Similarly, it is also representing 1. It is representing 1 by 4. 1 out of the 4 parts are colored. So 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1 by 4, 2 is to 1 by 4. It means it is also representing the 9 by 4. So now you can compare the part number B is representing the equation of third one. Now in the C1, 1 out of the 5 part is colored. So it is 1 by 5. There are such a 3 diagrams are there. So 3 multiplying 1 by 5. Here it is equal to 3 out of the 5 parts are colored. So 3 is equal to 3 divided by 5. So it is representing the equation of 1. So this is our representation of the question number 2. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में आपको जस्ट मैच करना है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द डायग्राम्स. So you have to just clearly watch each and every diagram in which how many parts are clear. Okay. So now come to the next question number 3rd. In the question number 3rd, you have to just multiply and then simplify the given fractions. Question number 3rd, just like first one, you have to multiply 7 by 3 by 5. So in this multiplication of the fractions with the whole number, remember always फ्रैक्शन टू फ्रैक्शन हो, फ्रैक्शन टू होल नंबर हो, इंटीजर हो, कुछ भी हो, आपको न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. देखो हम इसे भी फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. यू नो इट वेरी वेल. अगर इसका डिनोमिनेटर नहीं गिवन है तो इट्स बाय डिफॉल्ट इज 1. सो नाउ न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई. 7 3 जा 21, 5 1 जा 5. अब हम इसे क्या करेंगे, सिंप्लीफाई. क्या कैंसिल आउट हो रहे हैं? नो, कैंसिल आउट नहीं हो रहे हैं, मिनिमाइज नहीं हो रहे हैं. वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 5 सो दैट इट बिकम्स इन द मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. 5 4 जा 20, सो 1 रिमाइंडर है हमारे पास. सो इक्वेशन कैसे बनती है? क्वोशिएंट is to remainder by divisor. So this will becomes our mixed fraction, our result. Okay. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Sorry, the remainder is 1. 5 4 is 20 plus 1 21. Okay. Now come to the next one. Part number. Let us do the part number 5. Randomly. Part number 5. In the part number 5, it is given as 2 by 3 multiplying by 4. 2 by 3 multiplying by 4. 4 2s are 8. Divide by 3. Then similarly, it is also improper fraction. So it can be converted into mixed fraction. 3 2s are 6. 2 remainder by quotient. Remainder by divisor. ठीक है. So 2 is to 2 by 3. Let us do one more question. It's a 8th question. In the 8th question, it is given that 20 multiplied to 4 by 5. Now, is it minimizable? Or you may initially first of all multiply this quantity and then minimize it. Now if you can minimize here, you can also, its denominator is 1. Now remember, whenever we are minimizing, तो आपको minimize कैसे करना है? एक क्वांटिटी आपको न्यूमरेटर से, एक क्वांटिटी आपको डिनोमिनेटर से, दोनों में सेम कॉमन फैक्टर होना चाहिए. ठीक है, एक कॉमन फैक्टर होना चाहिए, उसी कॉमन फैक्टर से आप इनको डिवाइड करो. जस्ट लाइक 5 इसका है, इसमें भी 5 है, दोनों 5 के मल्टीपल है, तो सो वी कैन डिवाइड बोथ बाय 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20, 4 4 is 16 by 1, यानी कि it will be the result of 16. So remember that कि दोनों सेम नंबर के मल्टीपल्स हों. ओके. One more thing is like 10th. 15 multiply 3 by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. 5 1 15, 5 के मल्टीपल्स में आते हैं. So 3 3s are 9. So this is your question number 3rd. Now come to the question number 4th. Question number 4th में आपको शेडिंग करना है, just like in the question number 4th, part number 1. Shed 1 by 2. Shed 1 by 2 of the circles in the box A. Of these circles in box A. आपके पास बॉक्स A में कुछ सर्कल्स गिवन है, उनको आपको क्या करना है, उनमें से हाफ को आपको शेडिंग करनी है, कलर करना है. ठीक है. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12 10 11 12. So यहाँ पर if you are being so shed 1 by 2 of the circles in a box. So there are 12 circles. You can count down. Now you have to shedding the half of them. So you can shed any way. first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Now half of them are colored. You may also color by this method. Now half of them are colored, half of them are. So their counting should be 6. No matter which circles you are selecting. No matter which circle you are selecting, but you may select at least 6 circles, maximum and exactly 6 circles to shed half of them. हमें exactly 6 circle को ही color करना है to select the half of the circles. 12 circles है. Similarly, other parts you have to do by yourself. Try yourself, okay? So question number 5. The question number 5. Find 1 by 2. Find 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 of 24. Look at this. 1 by 2 of 24. यहां पर हमें ऑफ का मीन्स क्या होता है बेटा? कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो ऑफ का मीन्स क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लाई. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द ऑफ? मल्टीप्लाई. देन सेम नंबर एज इट इज. हमें सिंप्लीफाई करना है. ये दोनों में कॉमन फैक्टर है कुछ? यस, 2 इज द कॉमन फैक्टर. 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 2 4. सो 12 इज द आंसर. ओके, आप ऐसे किसी को भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. लेट अस डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. पार्ट नंबर बी, ये इसका फर्स्ट था. पार्ट नंबर बी का सेकंड पार्ट हम सॉल्व करते हैं. 2 by 3 part, 2 by 3 of 27. Look at this. 2 by 3 of means multiply 27. कुछ कैंसिल हो रहे हैं हमारे पास? यस, 3 से कैंसिल हो रहे हैं. 3 1 3, 3 9 जा 27, 9 2 जा 18. So answer is 18. Okay. So let us do one more part of this question. पार्ट नंबर सी का हम करते हैं. सी का फर्स्ट पार्ट. 3 by 4 of 16. 3 by 4 of 16. Now let us simplify. 3 by 4 of means multiply. ठीक है, into 16. 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16, 4 3 जा 4 3 are 12. So this is your part number C. Similarly, one more question of part number D. एक क्वेश्चन पार्ट डी से भी देख लेते हैं. इन पार्ट डी से सेकंड वाला क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. 4 by 5 of 35. Of 35. Now look at this. 4 by 5 multiplying by 35. किससे कैंसिल हो रही हैं दोनों नंबर्स? 5 and 35. 5 1 5, 5 7 35, 7 4 28. Okay, so now you can see the results. Now come to the question number 6. Question number 6. Multiply and express as the mixed fraction. अब आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है और उनको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में भी कन्वर्ट करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में भी मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में बनाना था. ठीक है, सो द पार्ट नंबर 1, 3 multiplying by 5 is to 1 by 5. So first of all simplify 5 is to 1 by 5. इसको इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन लिखिए. 5 5 जा 25 and 1 26 by 5. समथिंग इज कैंसिल आउट? नो. सो 26 3 जा 78 डिवाइड बाय 5. अब 78 को आप 5 से डिवाइड कीजिए. इट्स अप टू यू. 5 1 जा 5, 2 8, 5 5 जा 3 remainder. So we can convert it into like this. Quotient 15 is to remainder 3 divided by 5. So this is this just a simple formula. So you have to use this method to convert the given improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Okay. Now second one, same question, one more practice. 5 is to multiplying 5 multiplying 6 is to 3 by 4. 5 multiplying 6 is to 3 by 4. So we can write it here as like this: 5 multiplying 6 and 4 are 24 and 3 27 by 4. 6 4s are 24 and 3 27. Now which cancel it? No. So 27 5s are 135 divided by 4. आप 135 को आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो. So 4 3s are 12, 15, 4 3s are 12 and 3 divided by 4. So you can see 33 is to 3 by 4 is the answer. Now next third part, question number part number A, it is B, it is C part, and the part number C. 7 is multiplied to 2 is to 1 by 4. So 7 is multiplied to 4 to 8 and 1 9 by 4. 9 7s are 63 by 4. 4 so 15 4s are 60. 3 remainder by 4. 15 is to 3 by 4. So now you can solve each and every question by the same practice. Okay. One more question that I have to solve is, let's solve part number E. Okay. Let us solve part number E of question number 6. Part number E. 3 is to 1 by 4 multiplying 6. 3 4s are 12 and 1 13 by 4 multiplying 6. Something is common. Common factor is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Anything else? No. 13 3s are 39 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder 19. 2 9s are 18, 1 remainder 1 by 2 answer. ठीक है. So this is your question number 6, part number E. Now come to the question number 7. The question number 7. The question number 7. Find 1 by 2 of part number A. 1 by 2 of 2 is to 3 by 4. This is the part number A. So it will be equal to 1 by 2 of, first of all simplify this, 4 to 8 and 3 11 by 4. Now convert this off into multiply. Numerator को numerator से 11 1s are 11, 4 2s are 8. Now divide 11 by, solve 11 by 8 into the mixed fraction. भी improper fraction है तो इसे mixed fraction में convert कीजिए. Look at this. 8 1s are 8 and 3 remainder. 1 is to 3 by 8. 1 is to 3 by 8. नेक्स्ट पार्ट नंबर बी का हम करते हैं सेकेंड पार्ट. Here 5 by 8 of 9 is to 2 by 3. 5 by 8 of 9 3s are 27 into 29 by 3. So numerator को numerator से, denominator को denominator से, because they are not minimizing each other. So 8 3s are 24. 29 5s are 145. Next, divide this and make in the mixed fraction form. 24, 24 6 are 144, 1 remainder and 24. So 6 is to 1 by 24. This is your question number 7. Now come to question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. In the question number 8, Vidya and Pratap both went for the picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle and that contains 5 liters of water. Total capacity of water कितनी है? Total volume of water. Total volume of water क्या है? 5 liter. Okay. Now Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. So Vidya drink how many water drink? 2 by 5 of 5 liter. So let us simplify it. 2 by 5 into 5 is equal to 2 से 2 cancel 2 liter. So 2 liter of the water will drink by Vidya. Pratap consumed remaining water. Pratap drank amount of water remaining amount of water कितना है? 5 liter minus 2 liter. It will be equal to 3 liter. So simply 3 liter of the water will consumed by Pratap. By what fraction it is? So it is equal to 3 liter by 5 liter. Divide कीजिए तो 3 by 5 of total water. So 3 by 5 of the total water capacity, water volume is drank by the Pratap. ठीक है. Let us revise this question again. Total water volume of the water is 5 liter. Vidya drank the amount of the water is 2 by 5 of the 5 liter. तो total जो water है हमारे पास उसका 2 by 5 part ही use करेंगे. So we have to write this equation and then convert off into multiply. From 5 से 5 cancel. So 5 ones are 5 ones are 2 ones are 2. So here is a 2 liter. 2 liter of the water is drank by Vidya. So this is your part number 1 of the question number 8. In the second part, it is being asked what amount of the water drank by the Pratap and what is the fraction of the water that he has drunk. Now, look at this. Pratap drank amount of the water is equal to total water 5 liter. Amount used by Vidya is 2 liter. So 5 liter minus 2 liter is 3 liter. So जो remaining water था total प्रताप ने पिया है, so it will be equal to 3 liter. So now the quantity of the fraction के अंदर कैसे करेंगे? 3 liter जिसने वाटर पिया, टोटल वाटर क्या था? 5 liter. तो इसका अमाउंट अपॉन में टोटल अमाउंट will gives the fractional value. So 3 out of the 5 of the total water. So this is your question number 8. So revise all the remaining questions जो हमने आज नहीं किए हैं वो आपको सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. So do revise complete exercise 2.2 in the fair mark model. Okay. So thank you.